Angles, parallel lines. When you're looking for angles and parallel lines, you need to know the following facts. You need to know a straight line is 180 degrees or half a turn. Okay, a triangle is 180 degrees. You need to look for Z angles called alternate angles, and if you see inside a Z, they're exactly the same. Alright, so the two in between the Z are the same. You look for F angles, and with F angles, alright, corresponding angles, the ones below the line are exactly the same, and the other letter you can see sometimes is interior angles, C angles, co-interior angles. The two inside the C always add up to 180 degrees. So when I'm looking at this question here, alright, we're going to be assessed on the quality of our organisation, communication and accuracy in writing in this question. So it's important, two of these marks, of how we lay the question out in terms of terminology. So first thing, the line AB and CD are parallel, so they're like railway tracks, they're always the same distance apart. The line CD is perpendicular to EF, which means that when it's perpendicular, the angle in my right angle triangle is 90 degrees. Triangle LMN is an isosceles triangle. So because LMN is an isosceles triangle, LMN adds up to 180 degrees. Alright, so to find angle N and angle L in that triangle, because they're isosceles, it means that they're going to be exactly the same. They can't be the same as the right angle, because the right angle is opposite the hypotenuse, which is the longer side, and if they were all 90, it'd add up to 270, or if another one was 90, it'd be 90 add 90 is 180, which means the other one would be 0, which isn't possible. So to work out what angle L and N, because it's an isosceles triangle, I would be saying, alright, so in an isosceles triangle, okay, angle L is equal to angle N, which is 180 take away 90 degrees, which is 90 degrees. And then because they're both the same, I'm going to half it, and they are both 45 degrees. Alright, so that one is 45 degrees, and then that one is 45 degrees. If I'm using proper terminology, angle N by there is from L to N to M. So I could say LNM is equal to 45 degrees. But it asks me to find this angle X now. So what that is, because of the parallel lines, basically, the angle that side of the line and the angle this side of the line add up to 180 degrees, because it's a straight line. So because it's angles on a straight line is 180 degrees, you can say an angle, the angle from C to N to L, so at N, so CNL plus LNM, which we just talked about, equals 180. So because the one is 45 degrees, 45 plus N is 180. So if I take it away, 180 take away 45 is 135 degrees. So angle N is 135 degrees.